In the world of recreational vehicles, most people think of massive American RVs or sleek European campervans. But Japan has quietly carved its own niche, offering compact, smartly designed RVs that maximize space and efficiency. One standout example is the Toyota Regard Neo Plus, a unique motorhome built on the reliable Toyota Camroad chassis. Often described as a Bento Box on wheels, this RV manages to blend compact size with surprising versatility, designed to accommodate families of up to 6 people. At its core, the Regard Neo Plus is powered by a 2.7-liter inline-four diesel engine, producing 142 horsepower and 300 newton-meters of torque. It may not be the most powerful RV out there, but efficiency and reliability are the key strengths, perfectly suited for long journeys across diverse terrains. The Camroad chassis provides a sturdy foundation, while LT Campers, in collaboration with Yokohama Motor Sales, refined the design to bring out its modern version. Since 2019, LT Campers has held exclusive rights to develop and distribute this remarkable RV. What makes the Regard Neo Plus truly special is its space management. Despite its compact exterior, the motorhome can carry up to 9 passengers while in transit. That's thanks to the clever seating layout in the forward lounge, which includes multiple benches and a lateral seat. For sleeping, the layout transforms effortlessly, accommodating up to 6 people overnight. The forward lounge folds down into a spacious bed, while the rear is equipped with a double bunk system, the upper bed being large enough for an adult and child, and the lower one suitable for a single adult. There's even a hidden drop-down ceiling bed accessible via a ladder, a brilliant solution for maximizing interior space. Comfort hasn't been compromised either. The Regard Neo Plus comes with full kitchen facilities, a wet bath, heating and cooling systems, and smart storage solutions. But one of the highlights is the rear bunk area's versatility. When the bunks are folded, they reveal a massive storage bay, so large it resembles a garage. This space can hold e-bikes, kayaks, or even bulky adventure gear. Accessible from both inside and outside the RV, it's a feature that makes the Regard Neo Plus a true adventure-ready camper. Durability is another standout factor. The Regard Neo Plus uses a one-piece molded fiberglass shell, making it more resistant to weather and aging compared to conventional builds. Fiberglass has a long-standing reputation for longevity, with many such campers still functional decades later. Combined with a one-piece floor structure, the Toyota Regard Neo Plus ensures strength and reliability for long-term ownership. Of course, all these features come at a price. A new Regard Neo Plus with the Premium Class 5 package costs around 14 to 15 million Japanese yen, equivalent to roughly 100,000 USD. While this may seem steep, it reflects the craftsmanship, advanced features, and premium build quality that this Japanese RV offers. For buyers outside Japan, especially in the US, owning a Regard Neo Plus isn't simple. Vehicles under 25 years old must meet strict FMVSS safety standards, requiring additional modifications and costs to make them road legal. Importation fees and shipping add further expenses. That said, adventurous RV enthusiasts who value Japanese design and engineering might still see it as worth the effort. The Toyota Regard Neo Plus is proof that bigger isn't always better in the RV world. With its clever space-saving features, high-quality build, and family-friendly design, it delivers the comfort of a full home in a compact, stylish package. A true bento box for the road, it redefines what compact RV living can be.